I got a couple of fun cheese facts for you. If you buy your cheese in a chub, it's not as hard as when you buy the hard block of cheese. So when you shred it, you gotta be kind of careful because it will clump together. The shredded cheese that we buy in our store has a coating on it to stop it from clumping. So when you grate the softer cheeses, grate them on a plate where the pieces stay separate. Second fun fact, have you ever wondered why some cheeses are light orange, some are a little bit darker? Make a trip to your grocery store. In the refrigerated dairy section where the cheeses are, flip them all over, every one of them that is not white. The last ingredient is annotto. 5 grams of annotto only has 0.3 milligrams of sodium. It is an orangish, reddish food dye that comes from the achiote tree. McCormick has a ground annotto. And I'm thinking that I might get some of that. It has no nutritional value, but it is a food coloring. The next time I make my fake Cheez-Its, I might just put some in it. My Cheez-Its taste like Cheez-Its. They just don't look like it. They're white. Next time around, they might just be orange. You take a walk down the aisle where the potato chips are, and there's all these little jars of cheese dip that we used to dip our chips in it. The last ingredient on every one of them in my store is imitation food coloring. Then pop over to the dried food, the rices and noodles that come in the boxes and packages that we just add water to and cook them up. Flip them over and look. The last ingredient is either imitation food coloring or annotto. That's your 2 fun cheese facts for the week.